Okay, this is the second try on these tractors again. It was all fucked up before. I went up to the top, came down the other side for the second lap. I got 10 minutes in already. I'm just fucking around. I don't care about anything else. So I'm trying to show you where the damn things are. I have to get to the bottom so that you get an idea how I hit the wrong billboard on the other one and fucked it all up. Now you cross over wherever you cross over. Come back up this side. And you're a little ways down the thing. But here's the thing. I don't ever stay on the freeway because you don't see the fucking tractor there. It's off to the left. So I go off to the left. Not here, it's not ready yet. Get up here and hit a billboard. I get off here and there's another billboard up here, okay? This is the one where you'll see the fucking tractor. But the thing is, this is the first tractor, the blue one. The thing is, it comes so fast, and if you're hauling ass like you need to be, it takes practice to be able to get it. I'll show you. It comes up right away pretty fast. See, there it is already. It's right there. But you got to hit it at top speed. You only got a couple seconds after you go through what I just showed you. That doesn't do anything. You knocked it over. No deal. Now I go up here, I'll show you the yellow one. Not too much farther. I think it's right in here. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Same thing. Try to hit these fuckers in the ass end. Right where I'm aiming here. That's the heaviest part. But that's where you got to hit it, right between there and the trailer he's got. But you need to hit the fucking tractor. And I don't know how fast. I never check my speed because I'm trying to line this up. There, that took off. I don't know, what was I doing? 80 miles an hour? I don't know, whatever. You get it up in the air and you need to be going about 100 or something. But you only have like a couple of seconds after you go through what I showed until you're already on top of the tractor. So it takes practice. Or else you go by it. If you're going too fast on the yellow one, you fly over the top of it. You know, you get it. I'm trying to see if this blue one is still there or not. They take it away. I don't remember if I hit it or not. If you hit it at all, they take it away and it's not there. Yeah, I don't think so. Anyway, maybe that'll show you where they are. Fuck it. You just have to fuck it around. Get up here farther. Yeah, here it is. I was wrong. You hit the ass end. I wasn't going fast enough, so all I get's the trailer. You gotta nail it. Okay, whatever.